Hi, I'm Paul Frampton, the CEO for Hi Inc. across EMEA.
One that builds up and creates.
So the Hi Hotels platform is an end-to-end platform cutting across global distribution, in-room technology to connect the guest to your hotel, and lastly, business intelligence that helps you understand the customer journey and better satisfy those customers.
What is freedom?
Is to improve the overall experience. Firstly, by helping hotels to attract guests to their hotel with more reduced distribution costs. Secondly, then helping you to drive up ancillary revenue while those guests are staying with you. And thirdly, to actually elevate the overall experience.
All of my dreams and aspirations are here, and the only thing in
So Hi Inc. is now in over 80 countries across the world with 600,000 rooms and 6,000 hotels.
that's all the motivation I need. I love.
Their key pain points are how to build a engaging relationship with the guest in their hotel rooms. Often a guest checks in and checks out and there is not that much contact. So our technology enables that. And secondly, how you consistently drive up revenue. We see OTAs taking increasingly high commissions, and increasingly it's more difficult for a hotel to generate direct bookings and to generate revenue from the guest in their rooms, because guests will often go out of the hotel rather than eating in the hotel or drinking in the hotels.
Just sit around and say, I'm not motivated, so I can't.
So the unique thing about Handy sitting in the rooms and how it can drive ancillary revenue is you can use push notifications, much like you get on your own phone from an app, to encourage people to go to the bar, to go to the restaurant, to order something from in-room dining. In-room dining, the application can be built into your phone so that actually guests can order their club sandwich or their chicken vindaloo by just jumping on the handset rather than having to pick up the phone.
I always keep a backlog of things that I need to do, just in case.
First off, I would talk about personalisation, for which you need to collect data. You need to have touch points, so touch points in social media, seeing what people are interested in so you can then respond to that. I would then say artificial intelligence, so actually using that data to then make decisions, whether that's on your website or through our technology and how you connect with the guest and using data to inform that. And then of course you've got combinations of those things, so chatbots are essentially artificial intelligence and personalisation coming together.
As long as you're doing something, you will find your path.
So my tip would be to really deeply understand the guests that stay in your hotels by collecting data, talking to your audience, gathering customer feedback, because that will help you make the decisions about what you should do. You shouldn't necessarily be everywhere. So for instance, social media is a big kind of developing area, but that doesn't mean you need to be on every single platform. You need to decide who is your audience and what do they engage with, and therefore what are the most relevant platforms that you should be on as a hotel.
Like, what am I doing right now? Is this exactly where I wanted to?
Two of my favourites that I would recommend that you check out would be one, Triptease, who developed a fantastic widget for helping you to drive more direct bookings by scraping information and understanding the best way to drive direct revenue. And secondly, I have a lot of conversations with hospitality folks and hoteliers around PMS and the fact that maybe some of the legacy systems haven't moved quickly enough. Muse is a company I keep hearing a lot about.